Hi guys, welcome to the video. Let's get started with our topic. Today's topic is how to start a message event by using the Camunda self-managed version through Spring Boot. So I have the Camunda platform installed in my Docker by using a Docker Compose YAML file. The version is 8.2.5. So all the containers are up and running. So I've configured the BPMN file here, which will be having a global message reference. And I gave a user task so that whatever the variables that we sent from the message start event can be populated to the form. I have configured a form in it also. So we will be deploying and starting the message event through Spring Boot. So for this Spring Boot application, this is a Starter application in which the dependencies that I have used are web dependency for running it in a port, and then I have used the Spring Boot Starter command Maven dependency. So Spring GB dependency was deprecated. The artifact has been moved to Spring Boot Starter command now. So I'm using this Spring Boot Starter. I'm using the Spring Boot application, implementing command line learner so that we can simply run this application in the command line with a few less code. So I'm giving my variables. So this is the code which will be able to start the message start event. How it will start is it will be having a CB client. So that CB client will be configured by using the properties. So in this properties, it will be able to find the broker gateway address by using this property, which is localhost 26500. It will be running in 26500. So GB broker will be communicated through this one, and then security plain text is for communication between the GB broker and client, so that the communication is not encrypted. It is just a plain text. So through this configuration, GB client will be configured here. So in this GB client, we are publishing a new publish message. Message name is message received, which should be matching with the global message reference here. It should be same. So based on this only, it will be able to uh, start the event. It is a unique identifier for message start event, and then correlation key for now it is not needed. But if you have one more than one uh, process starting message events, then at that time message key correlation key might be useful. So it is better way to fill this to for better practice. Now I'll be running this application. I'll run this application. After running, it will be deploying the resources. That is the BPMN file here. This BPMN file it will be deploying, and then it will be uh, publishing this to GB client, which will be able to start the process event instance. So I'll just start this application. And I'll open the operate. You see that the message start is. Let's see the logs. It is still starting. Yeah, started this message start application. So it has deployed, configuring the deployment. It has deployed and then it started the message start application. You can see this in the. So this process also contains the same message. So I have done it for testing. So because both has the same message, they started. So this is why we need to have a correlation key, different correlation key. So for now, just stop this. So in this message start app, this instance the variables are populated. If you go to task list, I have received a form. So all the variables have been populated with the form, and I'm completing the task. Yeah. So the process has been ended. This is how we can configure our Spring Boot application so that we can start the message start event. And if you don't want to deploy while starting the Spring Boot application, you can always deploy it in the you can deploy it in the model itself by configure your Spring GD client and everything in the deployment button. That's it for this video. Thank you. If you want any suggestions, if you want me to do more videos based on any of the topics, please ping me in the comments so that I'll be able to do that. Thank you.